Hi friends, today I am going PUBG Lite Solo 0 kills chicken dinner. It's the real video friends. Please like. It's so hard to this achievement. Go for safest place. This is the second attempt. I done the chicken dinner in solo PUBG Mobile Lite. There is lot of boats and enemies. Escaping is so hard. Try to loot medikits, bandages is helping, and energy drinks, painkillers, smoke cans also. Searching for smoke cans. Stay alert. Medikit loot. I want medikits. It's help. Is the enemy? Enemy is on backside. Let's escape. Oh my god, there is. He is firing. He's a boat. He's a boat. He's a boat. It's a boat. Run. He follows. No. He stopped there. He's searching me. Boats comes to fire me. Enemy surrounds there. It's best to escape from boats. It's a red zone. Go for safe place. There is a red zone. This red zone is very dangerous in PUBG Lite. Good loot here, but I didn't use this guns and rifles. Hey, enemy, no, it's a boat. It's a boat. Escape. Escaping red zone is very dangerous. Play safe. Red zone is very dangerous in PUBG Mobile Lite. I have 0 medikits. It's a boat. Play safe. It's a boat. No, it's a boat. Escape. Run. Please like my video. This is the central road in PUBG Lite, the highest red zone area. It's so hard to escape from boats. He follows. Boats are follows. Let's go boat. Let's go to Tadil. Oh, it's so tough. Yeah. See surroundings, all surroundings. Play safe. Please like this video. Don't forward this video, forward or skip. Searching for loop, medikits, bandages. Someone is firing in a backside. Play safe, play safe. Hidden places is very dangerous here. Someone watch with scopes. Don't running or get windows. There is a sound. Someone is sniping. Listen guys. Here is the sound. Backside of, yeah, it's sniping. It's on backside. No, it's not the safe place. Go, running. Run. This is the third hill, like Pochinki in PUBG. Third hill is dangerous. Enemies in his land here. Big enemies. Searching for medikits. Smoke can is also help for final zone. Enemies relax if there is no sounds. So, loot of painkillers. Here the loot is the loot. Painkiller helps for lost zone to reduce health recovery. Some sounds is here. Stay alert. Oh, it's a car. It's a car. Enemy on my backside. You can't see me. It's a car. Zone is in the top. Is the enemy in the backside. Run. Go to zone. He watching me, but he can't see me. He didn't see me. Drop is there in the zone. Don't loot the drop because enemies is around the drop. Hidden. Searching for safe place. Run. A little energy drink for run fast. Energy drink is help to run fast. Yeah, there is a boat. See, run. Escape the boat. Escape from the boat. He follows me. Try to hidden. Boats is following always. he, he runs backside me. Is the safe place, it is the safe place. Run fast. Thank God, one more medikit is here. There is a boat, there is a boat. He didn't leave me, he wants me. Run, run, run. Alive 12, 11 enemies remaining. Come to close, 11 enemies. Hear that? Someone is firing. Firing sounds. Hear that? It's another zone. It's another zone. Try to hidden safe place. Firing sounds. There is a drop. Not safe to hidden here. Two boats are following me. Oh my God, it's not safe. Firing, firing. Run, 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 run. Boats is very dangerous. See what happened. I hidden here. It's try to save. See guys, enemies is slowly down. Slowly down the number. It's a car. It's a car. It's front on me. Play safe, play safe. Play safe. Try to hidden. Only 3 enemies. Only 3 enemies left. So it's lots of hard. I hidden here. Only 3 enemies left. There is some sound. It's a buggy. Yeah, it's a buggy. It's surrounds near me. Near me. Final zone. Last 2 zones only. Time is over. Complete to zone. Final zone is comes. Only 3 enemies left. See what happened. Final zone is comes. It's a car. Yeah, it's a car. One more enemy here. Enemy is front on me, on my place. See. It's a car, jeep. Firing. Both are firing. Some painkillers to help the healing in zone. Enemy is there in front of me on a small hill. He is sniping. Another one. Zone is coming. Only 2 enemies. Firing. What happened? See what happened. Only 2 enemies. I am the third one. See what happened. It's It's not the safe place. I am escaping. I tried to escape. It's time to next zone. Zone closes. Oh my god, zone is close. I'm run. Oh, one left. He died in the zone. It's the victory. Winner chicken dinner. Thank you friends. Please like my video.